Welcome to everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the mechanical vibration system. So firstly we are going to see what is mechanical vibration. Mechanical vibration is the oscillation of a body about its mean position. Now any mechanical vibration system must have the four things. First, kinetic energy storing devices. Second, potential energy storing devices. Third, there should be any kinetic friction, means there should be a friction force. And last one, the presence of unbalanced forces. If these are not present in any system, then the system is not called as mechanical vibration system. Now, what are the kinetic energy storing devices? The kinetic energy storing devices like mass of any body, and the potential energy storing devices like stiffness of a spring or torsional stiffness of any shaft, and kinetic friction means the friction force and unbalanced forces. So these four elements should be there in any mechanical vibration system. Now come to the types of vibration. Now the types of the mechanical vibration. There are basic three types, that is natural vibration, damped vibration and forced vibration. If any system have these two element, that is kinetic energy storing devices and potential energy storing devices, then the system have natural vibration. And if a system also included the kinetic friction, then the system is called as damped vibration. And if there is any unbalanced forces also, then the system is called as forced vibration. Means the system has forced vibration. Now here is some basic figure that explaining the natural vibration, damped vibration and forced vibration. As we see in natural vibration, there is only potential energy storing devices and kinetic energy storing devices. But if you see in damped vibration, there is a friction also introduced, so that vibration system is called as damped vibration system. And when we give some unbalanced forces, then the system is called as forced vibration system or the forced vibration system. So this is all about the mechanical vibration and the mechanical vibration system. Thank you for watching.